So poison is not a disease. After taking the poison, the result is death. So there is no same kind of relation between malaria and mosquito. Correct? Okay. Cholera and water. Cholera is one disease. So cholera is caused by the polluted water. Correct? So cholera is a disease and the cause is water. So the same relation between malaria and mosquito and cholera and water is there. So you can identify maybe this is an option. Correct? Okay, we'll check the remaining options also. Rat, plague. So generally the plague disease will be caused by rat. Okay, you can also identify that this is also correct answer. Am I correct? Have you know because so Hyderabad people knows it. You have Charminar. Charminar is constructed to after eradication of the plague in the Hyderabad. Correct? So everyone it's a very familiar thing. So the plague disease caused by rats. Maybe correct C. And the next one is D, medicine disease. So if you have disease, you will take a medicine, but the same kind of relation is not there between malaria and mosquito and medicine and disease not there. So there is a conflict between B and C. Am I correct? Cholera, water, rat, and plague. But if you observe the given one is carefully, malaria is a disease first, causing is next. Cholera is disease, water is the cause for cholera. Rat is the cause, plague is the disease. So B is the correct relation maintaining the similarity with the malaria and mosquito. Am I correct? So B is the correct option. Children, very careful. So you have to answer the correct alternative. You have to check each and every one. That's a very, even though the plague disease caused by the rat, but order is not. If it is given as plague and rat, plague first, next rat, then there is a possibility for a correct option, but it is given as rat and plague. So C is not the correct option and B is the correct option. Am I correct? Okay, now going to the next one. 418.6C. I will show that previous option is the diseases which comes in the biology, correct? First one is curd, milk, shoe, is comes in the chemistry. Now come to the 4:18 is as 6 is to what? So it comes in the mathematics. See, all concepts, all subjects are covering in this analysis. 4:18.6. So maybe you observe that 18 will not comes in the table of 4. So 4 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 8. 18, correct? So 6. If you want to maintain the same relation, 18 can be written as how? 4 of 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 18. Okay, now we have to maintain the same 6. What the value and means here? 4 4s are 6 6s are 6 6 are 36 plus 2 is 38. 6 6 are 36 plus 2 38. Actually, it is given here showing a little bit wrong, but you have to understand 18 as 4 4s are 16 plus 2, which gives 18. So we have to multiply the number 4 times, add 2. So 6 6 are, we have 6 6 are 36 plus 2 is 38. So option B is correct. Okay. Now cup, lip, bird, what will come as a correct option here? Cup. So means here if you want to take coffee or any kind of drink through lips, you can drink the liquid, correct? Cup is used to drink something with the help of lips. So you want to drink something which are in the cup. So generally we will use the lip. Okay. In the similar manner, bird want to take something. What that bird will use? Either bush, grass, forest, beak. Obviously, you can say as beak. Am I correct? Through beak, it can hold. It can hold or it can collect the grass with the help of beak to make a nest. So the forest, bush, grass are not correct alternatives. D, beak is the correct alternative. Am I correct? Okay. Now come to the next one. Flow, river, stagnant. Generally, the water flows in river. Water flows in river, correct? Stagnant. In which object or which in which thing the water or liquid will be stagnant. Rain will not be stagnant there. You can't say stream will not be stagnant. So canal, so you can't say the water will be stagnant in canal, but you can say the water will be stagnant at pool. So you can say as a water of river flows similarity, water of pool is stagnant. So we can say option C is the correct thing. Okay. Now, pa, cat, hoop, what do you think? Pa, generally, it's a concern to the cat. So, hoop, very similar manner. Hoop also is a part of a cat. It's a body part of a cat. Pa is a body part of cat. So, hoop is, what is the thing? Horse has a hoof. So, lion, elephant, lamb, these are having a different body parts. So who comes to horse? So horse is the correct option. Okay, now ornithologist, bird, archaeologist, what one? Ornithologist. So generally for his, so who invents something, those we call as scientists. So the specialists to study about the birds, we call it as ornithologists. Similarly, to study about the fossils and archaeology. So those people, that specialists are said to be archaeologists. So islands, meditators, archaeology, aquatic, concern to the water, islands which are surrounded by the water, mediators. Mediators means they are the persons mediates the things, but archaeology, so the specialist in the archaeology is called as archaeologist. So option C is correct. Okay, peacock, India, bear, what do you think? Everyone knows it. The national bird of India is peacock. So here the relation between peacock and India is national bird. So bear. So bear is a national animal for which country you have to identify. Is it America, England, Russia, Australia? So you can say if you are good at GK, then you can simply say the Russia national animal is bear. So bear. So you can say the bear is the national animal for the Russia. So option C is correct. Okay. Now come to the next one. B, E, G, K, A, D, F, J, P, S, B, Y. What comes next? So P, E, G, K. So means here, if you observe it, the first letter of P, G, B, E, G, K is B. The first letter of A, D, F, G is A. Means here, when you move backwards one step, means the previous letter to B is A, previous letter to E is D, previous letter to G is what is F, and previous letter to K is J. So previous letters. So all the letters from the word ADFJ are found by the previous letters of B, E, G, K. So now P, S, V, Y. So you have to write the word having the letters which are previous to the letters in the P, S, V, Y. P. So the previous letter to P is, what is previous letter to P? Is O. What is the previous letter to S? Is R. Previous letter to V is U. Previous letter to Y is X. So O R U X. O R U X is the option B. So option B is the correct answer. Is it clear? Okay. Now go to the next one. A Z B Y C X D W E B F U. Then what is it? So now you have to identify the same kind of relation. What is the relation between A and C? Means here two letters move forward. A, B, C. Correct? So between A and C you have one letter. So one letter is skipped. It moves two steps. So by moving two steps, you will get C. By moving Z, you will get X, two steps. By moving B, you will get two steps, then you will get D. By moving Y, you will get W, two steps. In the similar manner, you have to move two steps for each letter of the word E, F, V, U. So E, by moving 2 steps, means E, F, G will come. V, 2 steps. V, W. So here, if you say the reverse are the previous one, so then you have to follow the same one. V. So U, V, W. So it means S, T, U, V. So S, T, U, V means come forward. P, U, T. So T is the next one. And the next one is F. F means here F, G, H. So H is a letter. U, V, W. So correct, but it's here Y moves to W, means in the reverse order. U, V, W. So S, T, U, V. S, T, U, V means here. So U means here. So S. So S will becomes here. So obviously the answer is G, T, H, S. So option J is the correct one. Very careful. One letter moves towards forward direction. Another letter moves reverse direction, but means one is plus, another one is minus, but moving the distance is the same. You have to identify the same thing. Okay. E, C, E, G, I, K, M, O, Q, S, U, W, which comes here? E, C, yes, sir. A, C, E, G. So A, between A and I, 8 letters. You have to identify A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Means between A and between A and I, we have 8 letters. So 8 steps move forward. Next C. C and K. C and K same. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. How many? 8 letters. Even E and U. E and U means here F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N means here. Now observe it. So here 8 letters. K will come. Correct? K. So 8 letters moves it. And in the similar manner, you can say Q, S, U, W. Q, S, U, W. You can say after moving 8 steps away from a Q, Y will come. After moving S 8 steps, you will get A. After moving 8 steps, you will get C. After moving 8 steps from W, you will get E. So Y, A, C, E, option C is the correct option. Correct? Okay. Now coming to the 14, 9, and 26. So it's very clear what is the relation between 14, 9, 26. Now, if you observe it, so here the second letter, I'm taking the second letter, means explanation. 2 nines are 18. 18 minus 4 is 14. Correct? Now 26. 26. 2 15s are 30. 30 minus 4 is 26. So here 2 nines are 18 minus 4 14. So here in place of very clear, if you see it 9 comes here, so the second number will be 9. If you want to get 26, 2 15s are 15 minus 4. So in the place you have to get 15. So option D is correct. 15 is the correct option. See, the difficulty level sometimes little bit of increases. So MO 13 15 HJ, what's the number? MO 13. So if you arrange alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H like the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So M is the 13th letter. O is the 15th letter. So H is the 8th letter and J is the 10th letter. So obviously you can say, so option C is the correct one. So 13 and 15 saying the positions of the letters M and O when they arrange from A to Z in order. So when H and J also have the positions 8 and 10. Clear? Okay. Now come to the 123, 132, 235. What's the next number? So here if you see very clear 123. So 1 kept in the same place, 2 and 3 are interchanged. It comes as 132. 235. So 2 will be static, 3, 5 will be interchanged. means 3 5 is interchange means 53 comes. So simply you can say 253 is a correct option. Clear? Okay. Now coming to the next one, 8, 28, 27. What is the answer? It's very clear. So 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. That is answer. In the similar manner, 2 plus 7 means here, means otherwise you can say here 28, how you get 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 is 2 more to 8. Like 2, 7. 2 plus 7 is how much? 9. 9 plus 2 means 11. So the required number have the digits whose sum is 11. 2, 8, 2 plus 8 is 10. No, 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. No, 6 plus 5 is 11. Means here it is 2 more to 9. So option D is correct. Okay, glove hand. Glove hand. So generally you wear the gloves to our hand. Correct? Neck, collar, tie, shirt, socks, feet, coat, pocket. Socks are wearing to feet. So glove and socks and feet both are same, having same relation. Correct? Okay. Lawyer, court. So what is the answer? Lawyer, court. Here given chemist, laboratory, businessman, office, athlete, Olympics, labor, factory. So when this general lawyer, court, it's a working field. The working field of lawyer is court. So chemist working field is laboratory. It's correct. Businessman may working field may be office, may not be office. He doesn't know. Athlete working field may be Olympics. Olympics is an event. If an athlete will participate in Olympics, is not correct. So it's not a correct relation. Labor factory. So means here all labor will not work at factory. So it's not a correct relation. Businessman, all business will not have work at office. So correct one is a chemist will work at laboratory. So the working field of chemist is laboratory. So option A is correct. Okay. Now apple, grape, orange. So apple, grape, orange. When you see apple, grape, orange, they are vegetables, stems, fruits, pods. Apple, grape, orange, all are fruits. So we can say simply is option B is the correct answer. Correct? Okay. Lucknow, Patna, Bhopal, Jaipur. Lucknow, Patna, Bhopal, Jaipur. So Lucknow means here Simla, Pune, Mysore, and Indore. Correct? Lucknow, Patna, Bhopal, Jaipur. When you take Lucknow, Patna, Bhopal, Jaipur, so all the cities given in the question are state capitals. Correct? So here Rajasthan, capital is Jaipur, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Patna, UP, Lucknow. Correct? Now, so here, so you have to identify the capitals, but when you take it as Mysore, Indore, Pune, Simla. Simla is not a capital for anyone. So all the cities given in the question are state capital. Similarly, Simla is also a capital. Himachal Pradesh, correct? Okay, Simla. So correct option. For Mysore, Karnataka, Bangalore is one, correct? And Pune, Maharashtra is Mumbai. So when you take it as just all the given one are the capitals, so Simla is the correct option. Okay. So this is the total thing. So maybe you understand the analogy. So analogy is a very simple concept. It covers all the branches of sciences. So with logical reasoning, so you have to identify very carefulness. I select few of questions and I explain. I hope you understand. So practice. Once again, I'm saying. So recently, I developed. Recently means I developed a YouTube channel. Through YouTube channel, I'm sharing so many concepts. My YouTube channel is my name Suresh Kumar Padala. So please watch my YouTube channel. So and share and subscribe it. Definitely that will give more. It's a purely, exclusively education channel. So different kinds of developments in the education system and different competitive exams like NTSC and NMMS and different kinds of things, practicals which are doing in Atal Tinkering Lab innovations. All those things are posted in the YouTube channel. So once again, I'm requesting all of you, please, and subscribe on the YouTube channel of Suresh Kumar Padala. Okay, anyway, children, I hope you are following. So tomorrow we are discuss with another concept of mental ability. So thank you, children. Thank you.